Hi, I'm Douglas, and I'm going to make a Labyrinthine puzzle box out of Legos. I had to buy some marbles because I lost mine, and I have secret plans. They're plans and they're secret. Here goes. Okay, here's the finished product. Very cool. I had to use almost every black and green Lego I had. Again, these are my secret plans, and if you pay attention to the secret plan, that's just a doodle. And if you pay attention to the secret plans, which aren't in focus, you can actually complete the puzzle with this magical marble. It goes in here, and after considerable jiggling, and let's see, to the right, down, over, and then up, and then up, wait,